Let's see what is components in React. In React, your entire app is built using components. A component is like a small reusable piece of our user interface. For example, a header page, a header component, a footer component, button, a navbar, everything. Each of these would be a component, and React allows you to combine them to build a complex interfaces. So why we use React components? React uses components because it makes your code organized, easier to maintain, and faster to update specific parts. If you ever need to update your site's header or just change the header component, simple, efficient, and clean. So here we have two main types of components like class functional. In class components, it was in older React you would use class components for handling state and lifecycle events like this. But now in 2025 with React hooks, functional components can do everything class components could, and with cleaner code, reusable and everything like this. From now onwards, we will use functional components only because it was very easy to understand and use the hooks of React and everything like this. So let's see how to create a React component. In SRC, we need to go to SRC, just click the right button and take a new file. Then give the name like welcome.jsx. So we have created a component. So within this component, just type RFC. So this is a code snippet which we have given from the plugin ES7. Go to plugins and type ES7. So we will get something like a React Redux and this extension. We need to install this. Then after we will get the everything like code snippets. When we click just type RFC, we will get the entire block. Otherwise we need to type it manually. So within this function I'm going to write some text like h2 welcome to Mr. Developer. So this is the function. This is the component of function component. We are exporting this functional component. Without export, we can't do or use this component in another file. So to use this component in another file, we should export this file or this component. So now open app.jsx and just give the function welcome. So in welcome, this function name first letter should be capital. So make sure that first letter should be capital. Then just type the welcome and close the tag. Here we need to import the welcome. It is automatically imported. So just to go through the output. So this is the output we get. So this is how we use the functional components in React. So see how we wrote HTML like code inside a JavaScript function. Let's see, in welcome.js we write a code of HTML within the JavaScript function. This is what exactly the JSX. What is JSX in React? JSX lets you write HTML like a syntax inside your JS files. This is called JSX files. So, but it's not actually HTML. It's get compiled into, and it is get compiled into by Babel and a JavaScript compiler. Okay, what happens when you refresh the page? When you hit the refresh on your React app, React uses a virtual DOM. Here, React uses a virtual DOM with the actual DOM. Updates only the changed parts, not the whole page. This makes React apps super fast and smooth. Okay, here we have a concept like HMR, Hot Module Replacement. It is a feature that updates your app in the browser instantly when you save changes. That is thing auto save mode. Without reloading the entire page, how we use the auto save, it will automatically refresh the page without reloading. So we don't need to click this button every time. So why does this feature faster than CRA? Because it only reloads what changed, not the full bundle. And make a small change in app.jsx, hit the save button and see the update instantly. So when we want to deploy the React app or our project, CRA uses Webpack to bundle your files, which is slower and heavier. So here Vite uses rollup and much faster, gives a lighter optimized bundle. For this we need to use the bundle command like npm run build. So your final build files go into the dist folder. So we will see it later. And this is the summary of the part 3 in React.js tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and leave a comment with your thoughts and hit the subscribe button for the next video in the series. In part 4, we will explore more properties and state management and how components communicate with each other. So we won't miss it anything. So stay tuned. Catch you on the next video.